You get the request in your email inbox to create duplicates for each item in a list. You start with the first, you count out 10, you grab your second, move on to another 10, your third, somebody stops by your desk, get out of here, I'm trying to concentrate, count out another 10. Well, this has proven to be pretty awful. There's got to be a better way, right? Welcome to how to create multiple records from a single record using Get and Transform. First things first, we're going to go ahead and load our table into the query editor. So we're going to go to the data tab. We're going to select from table. Go ahead and get that loaded here. Excellent. And there we go. And now we're going to do add column. We're going to do a custom column. And let's just go and call this repeat. And what is this going to equal? We're going to do our squiggly bracket. I'm going to do 1, period, 10. Close squiggly bracket. Now I'm going to hit OK. We see here that no syntax errors have been detected. We've now created a list. If we were to click in the white space here, each row now has a list of values 1 through 10. I'm going to expand this list. And there you have it. 1 through 10 on each record. That was way too easy. Let's go ahead and break down that squiggly dot squiggly for a second. On the left-hand side here, I'm going to open up my queries. I'm going to right-click in the gray space and select New Query, Other Sources, Blank Query. Excellent. Now, up here in the formula bar, I'm going to do equals, open squiggly, 1, 1000. Close squiggly, hit enter. What you have now done is you have created an array. An array is a collection of items. This collection is going to be numbers from 1 to 1000. Jumping back to our original example, we're going to go to add column, custom column. We're just going to call this repeat once again. And we're going to create that array. So it is open squiggly, 1, We're going to do 10 items, close squiggly. I'm now going to hit enter. Once again, here is the list, 1 through 10 for each item. If we were to extract this just as the values within the single row, we can add a delimiter. I'm going to just go ahead and say comma. I'm going to hit OK. You will now see the numbers 1 through 10 exist in that array that has been created. I'm going to delete this step over here on the applied steps. So that is the extracted values. Going back here once again, if you extract it to rows, so expand to new rows, it creates 1 through 10 vertically. So you have 10 items. You can then remove other columns right here, and you now have the duplicate list.